Some of you will have this in your packs. It is the Phase 3A Home Learning Wall. Now on here you have got lots of different activities that you can do at home. Now on a Thursday, I am going to choose different ones that you can try together at home, and you will see as you go through your pack, you have got the bits and bobs that you need to be able to do them, okay, to help you out. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to cut out these. Okay, so you need to cut around the outside of each of these and around the outside of these ones, and then put them together in a pack. Okay, with this on the front as your title. So you put them all together in a pack. Now these are called pairs-wise cards. Now each of the cards help you with the doubles that you did last week. So you can count your 2, 4, 6, 8 and then 1. So that's the same as saying double 4 and 1, which is the same as saying 5, add 4, and you still get the same answer every single time. So today we are going to have a go at the 10 frame flash. Now you have to flash a 10 frame. Now your 10 frames are these cards here. Okay, so you'll have cut these all out by now. So if you haven't, go and cut them out now. And then what you're going to do is you're going to show it for 2 seconds and then put it down and see if you can tell what the number is. And can you think of any sums that you can see in the dot patterns? And can you think of any other sums for that number? And then write them down. Now I'm going to do some with you right now, and then you can choose somebody in the house to practice with. It's a bit like what we do at school for our warm-up. And it means the quicker that you can get it, the quicker you can get those sums. It's very good for your mental maths and your number knowledge. Hi team. So what we're going to do today is we're going to have a go at doing the 10 frame flash. So what you need to do is you need to cut out all your little cards, and then we will have a go at playing the game together. So here are my 10 frames. Okay, so they're all here. Now remember at school, what I'll do is I'll do this 2-second flash and put it away. So 1, 2, and put it away. So let's have a go at doing them together. So what have we got here? 1, 2, and put it away. 1, 2, and put it away. And this game is the 10 frame flash. So now that you have your own cards in your pack and you cut them all out, you can play the game too. Here you go, and put it away. So let's count how many dots are on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's see how quick we can do it. Ready, steady, go. 1, 2. What number was it? 1, 2. It was 5. Ready, 2 seconds, go. 1, 2. What number? 1, 2. What number? Good. Are you ready? 1, 2. What number? 1, 2. Well done. 1, 2. What number? 1, 2. Good. 2 that time. Ready? 1, 2. What number was that? 1, 2. What number? 8. That was 8 that time. You ready? That was 6 that time. Okay, well done. Number 9. Now this time when I show you the card, I want you to think about how you're making up the number. So ready, go. So we know that that is 8, isn't it? There's 8 there, 8 dots there. How have you worked out that there's 8 dots there? What sum have you done? What sum have you done to make the 8 dots there? Pause it now so you can have a look, and can you think about what sum you've made to make the 8 dots? So now you've had a little think, let's have a look at the different ways that we make the 8 dots. So we can do it by doing 4, add 4, can't we? So that we can use our doubles. 4, add 4 to make the 8 dots. How else could we do it? We could do 2, 4, 6, 8 to make the 8 dots. We could do 4, add 4 that way to make the 8 dots. We could do 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1 to make the 8 dots. There's loads of different ways. So pause it again and see if you can think of any more ways. Right, this time, this one. What number is it first? What number have we got? We have got 9 here. So here is 9. How do we make 9? Pause it now and think of all the different ways that you make 9. Okay, so you've had a good think now about all the different ways you can make 9. So we have got 4 along the top, and how many on the bottom? 4 along the top, and how many on the bottom? 4 along the top, how many on the bottom? 5 on the bottom. So we have 4 add 5 makes 9. What about if we counted a different way? So we could do 2, 4, 6, 8, and 1 is 9. So 8 add 1 is 9. Okay, so here we have 9. So think of all the different ways that you can make 9. You could take 2 away there. How would you make 9? How many have we got? 5 dots. We have got 5 dots there. So how did we make the 5 dots? 3 and 2. 3 and 2. That's using our near doubles again, isn't it? Because we know that 2 and 2 is 4. So if we think, what's 3 add 2? That's just one more, so it's 5. So that's a little example of how to do the 10 frame flash game. Now we do this a lot at school as well, so now you can do it at home. You've got all of yours on there and you should have cut them all up so they look like these ones, okay? And then you can practice them as well. So that's your challenge today, is to do the 10 frame flash game. For a recap, what's the number? That's your first task. So what's the number? 2, 4, 6. Or you might do 3, 6. Or you might just know that off by heart now and you think, that's 6. Okay, task 2 is what sums can you see in the dot pattern? So here's your next dot pattern. What sums can we see? So we can use our near doubles and we can do 4 add 5 to make 9. We might decide that we need to do 8 add 1 to make 9. So that's task 2. Task 2 is to find all the different sums you can see. And once you've done that, see if you can write some down. And you can have a go at doing this and play in the 10 frame flash with your family. So I hope you enjoyed playing the 10 frame flash, and now you can keep doing it too. Now it's so important to have a go at doing these, because then you get faster and faster. And if you can get super quick at doing your sums up to 10, when you get the further up you get and the more numbers that you're making, the quicker you can be. So if you can do your numbers up to 10, you can do up to 20, you can do up to 100, you can do them up to 500, and you can keep going and going and going. So go and have a go at playing the 10 frame flash. I would like to see some pictures of you doing it too, and have lots and lots of fun.